Hey guys, it's Mr. Isaiah from Del Valle High School, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make this fun paper airplane you'll find in this week's Club on the Go bag. Choose your design. I think I'm going to go with the traditional design. Begin by following the instructions. First, fold your paper in half. Then bring your top corners in. Make sure they are symmetrical. After that, bring them in once more until they're skinny like this. It then says to fold your wings, so bring those up halfway as well. Once you have that, you want to fold your tips. Once you have your tips nice and even, you want to unfold your airplane and make it smooth. Now you're all done and ready to fly. Have fun with this, guys.